Some practice to learn the Morse code. What is A? Dot dash. Ta-da! B. B, beep, beep, beep. C. Dash, dot, dash, dot. D. D, d, d. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. The number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. I didn't read right. Let's try it again. Dash followed by 4 dots. There we go. 7. 8. 9. 0. Oh, and of course, the famous SOS. Oh, it didn't read right. Gotta watch the spacing. S, O, S. And then learn your name. Will stick with you the rest of your life, and it's probably the most fun to learn. I'll leave you now with a chart of the Morse code that you can print out.